Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. रटना नहीं है, समझना ही है. My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 Maths, chapter number 4, Factorization, exercise 4.4, question number 1, part 7. Also there are solving of methods. We are using the method by using formula a plus b whole cube. Also the types of algebraic expression, we are using the type 5a. Bracket a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Also the book answers and the steps are written. So first step is use a plus b whole cube formula. So a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab then this second, find ab by using first and fourth term. So a is equal to 4 and b is equal to x. Then bracket is equal to bracket whole cube plus 3 bracket plus 3 bracket plus bracket whole cube square. Now second is put values in bracket and solve. So first of all we will put values. X and x and solve. Now we need to solve this. 3 4 plus x is equal to, now this 4 64 27 plus 3 4 16 and 3 9 x plus 3 4 upon 3 then x square plus x cube. Done this. Now here again plus x whole cube is equal to 64 2 7 27 then plus here we needed to cut. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So remaining is plus 16 upon 3 x then plus 4 x square plus x cube Now you can check right hand side of formula, same our question. So 64 upon 27 plus 64 upon 27 plus 16 upon 3x 16 upon 3x plus 4x square plus 4x square plus x cube. Now fifth is, now use left hand side as answer. So we will write 4 upon 3 plus x upon whole cube and it's become our answer. The book answers are written, you can check it. First of all, 4 upon 3 plus x whole cube. 4 upon 3 plus x whole cube. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.